showing you how to make a little pom-pom. Okay, so I actually had like this little machine, this little thingy. I don't know what it's called, but basically it makes pom-poms. It makes making pom-poms a lot easier. Okay, so let's just get started. The first thing you're going to do is just you're gonna grab the machine, make sure it's closed. Heads up, this thing does not like click closed, so like you really gotta make sure you're holding on to it. Okay, so now all you're gonna do is just grab your yarn and just, after you open up one side, you just wrap the yarn all around it and you just go, and that's all you gotta do. You just wrap it around about 3 times. Make sure it's as like tight or as close together as you can get it, so that way you can't see any like openings. And that's pretty much it. And then all you gotta do is just do the same on the like you just gotta go over to open up the other side, go over and just start wrapping there also. I'm gonna skip over me wrapping up the second one because, like I said, it's just the exact same thing. You just open it up, take your yarn around, and you just get it. And you just gotta start wrapping again. Okay, so now that that's all done, you gotta close it up. Make sure you can hear it click into place. That way it is secure. And now all you gotta do is just take some scissors and just cut the yarn off. And then you just cut the yarn, the wrapped yarn through the device. There's gonna be like an opening so that we can get your scissors through. And then you're just gonna cut it open on both sides. Okay, so now you're gonna get some yarn. Like, make sure you cut up a good amount of yarn. And basically, all you're gonna do is just tie it around the thing. This is kind of tricky. The first time I did this, I actually messed up because it was hard for me to hold on to it and like tie it around. If you can get a little, like someone just to hold that for you, it makes things a lot easier, but I know it's not impossible to do. Yeah, okay, so all you gotta do is just tie it up on one side. You gotta really make sure that it's tight as you can, because you don't want this thing to accidentally open up. That happened to me last time. Okay. So now once you get that as tight as you can, you turn it over and you tie it once again. And like I said, you need to make sure it is as tight as you possibly can. And now, once you do that, all you gotta do is just open this little thingy. I wish I knew what the name for it was, but I don't. Okay, so then you just grab right where that you tied it, and you just shake it about. And then what you're gonna want to do is just kind of like bunch it all up at the top, so that way you can cut out any really long pieces. Like you can kind of see there's like a little bit of yarn on the side, kind of just flopping about, because you're gonna want it to get it like somewhat even, not entirely, but like, you know, just try and get rid of those like really big strands of yarn. And that's all you gotta do. This is really easy, honestly. Might take a little bit of practice on trying to figure out, like, when it comes to like how tight you tie it, but that's about it. Okay, so I'm also gonna show you how to put it on like a little hat. As you can see, I have the hat that we made in a previous video, and all you gotta do is that you're gonna get both of the ends, and you're just gonna put it through a little plastic needle. Okay, and now you just sew it up. You know, all you gotta do is just sew it up at the top. Fun fact, this was actually my first time actually putting on a pom, so you kind of see me a little bit like, what am I doing? But yeah, so yeah, like right there, I took out the needle, and I was like, oh wait, no, I need that. So yeah, you gotta go put the needle back on the yarn. Okay, so you just do that, and all you gotta do is just kind of sew it up a little bit. I just kind of went one go around, but like it's honestly better off if you do it just a little bit more. And then after you've sewn it, you just gotta make a knot. And there you go. You got yourself a little pom on your beanie that you made if you watched my previous video, or just a beanie that you had lying around. Like I said, this is like really easy to do, honestly, and you know, they're cute. If you want to add a little extra decoration to something that you made, why not give this a shot? Because it just looks really cute. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.